How to add a default title in your YouTube channel. So hey guys, if you want to add a default title every time you try to upload a video, then you need to follow this video very carefully. So many times when you try to upload a particular video, there are some text that might be need to be placed in every title of the video. So if you do this manually for each and every video that you upload, then this could be tiring. So for that we have this particular trick. So to do this, the first thing we need to do is head on to our YouTube studio. To do this, click onto your profile icon at the top right of your YouTube account and then choose the YouTube studio option. This will lead you to the YouTube studio website. Now from here, choose the settings given on the bottom left corner, and then inside the settings you need to choose the upload defaults option. Click on the upload defaults and here you can see the first option, which is the default title. So now let's add a title. So for example, let's say, so here you can see that I have uploaded a default title, and then once you are done, you need to click onto this save button at the bottom. So here you can see that I have saved, and this message appears which says settings saved. So now let us try to upload any random video and see if the default title lines shows up or not. So to do this, let's click onto the upload content button and let's choose any file. So for example, let's say this particular file right here. So if I try to upload it, you can see that the default title is being successfully showing up whenever I try to upload any video. So that's how easy it is to set a default title for your YouTube channel. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Do tell us in the comments if you have any ideas or questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.